This product demo showcases how Fiverr connects you with top freelance talent for various services. You'll see how to navigate the platform and select video editing services tailored to your needs. Before you can hire anyone on Fiverr, you'll need an account. Let's set that up first. Click the Join button. Click Continue with Google to sign in quickly using your Google credentials. Or click Sign Up using email to register with your email address instead of social login. Now that you've created your account, sign into your account to start browsing as a logged-in member. To find a video editor on Fiverr, start by searching for exactly what you need. Type YouTube Video Editor here to explore available video editing services on Fiverr. Open the Seller Details filter to narrow down your options by experience level. Click here to explore more options and packages offered by the freelancer. Filtering for top-rated sellers helps you find editors with a proven track record. Apply the filter to update your results. Click a gig thumbnail to open a seller's profile. Click About this gig to learn more about the freelancer's offerings and expertise. Click Standard to select the standard service package for your video editing needs. Click Continue to move forward with your selected video editing package. Click Continue to confirm your order and proceed to payment. And that's it. From sign up to checkout, that's how easy it is to hire a video editor on Fiverr. This demo stops here, right before payment, so you can see the full process risk-free. And there you go. You've successfully set up your account, filtered for the right type F editor, and reached the stage where you're ready to hire. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can sign up to Fiverr, browse vetted video editors, and find the right person for your project. I will catch you in the next one.